Before you call it a loss, hear this. You're not losing your life. You're refining it. Every cut is clearing emotional space for God to rebuild you with strength, clarity, and peace.
You're not losing, you're refined. God is shaping heart and mind. Every fire, every tear is preparing you right here. You're becoming something new. Trust the work He's doing.